guys, we're making bolt jaw tongs today. I'm making them out of railroad spikes because that's something I have a lot of, and most people have access to them. Some people don't, but just go buy stock. Steel is insanely cheap. Go to your steel manufacturer, just Google it, see what's the closest, go pick up some stock and get to forging. Let's get to making bolt jaw tongs. So, as you've heard now, I'll be using spikes in this video. I've never made bolt jaw tongs, and I'm going to try that today. I should actually just use the nice stock I have, but seeing as though this is a DIY vid, let's do it with these. Let's do the hard way. So I cut this tip off. We won't need that. That's unnecessary. We marked an inch away from that tip. This is where I cut it off. And we are gonna put it over the edge of the anvil. And you'll see what I do. I have looked at, I did the one side already. And I went online and checked if what I was doing, if everyone else is doing the same thing. And apparently I'm doing it completely different. So this is good because now there's one more way of doing it. Okay, here we go over the edge of the anvil. Right there at an inch. Up at an angle, half on, half off. That's it, just isolate it. So I can go one more, just so it's even. Okay, so I want this ½ inch right around. And then from here on out, you measure 2 inches and you mark it. Okay, right at the 2-inch mark. Okay, and then on this side, right on our mark, half on, half off. So now you got that. You see where we're going with this? Here's the other one. Right? Okay. Okay, and then all you do from here is, even though that's not ½ inch yet, you put the flat part of it to your left, this part to your right, and then just flatten it out. Can't really hit it, the camera mounts right there. Nice and square. Now we can work on this neck and turn it into ½ inch square, pretty much, because it's kind of rectangular right now. Okay, let's do that then. Okay, we're just going to set up this boss area. As you can see, she's nice and thick there. We're just going to flatten that out. It's around about ½ inch thick right now, which is good. Because You don't want to over forge your boss area. I'm just gonna do a cube, so centimeter by centimeter or inch by inch or whatever. So I'm just gonna eye it right there. Half on, half off. See? There. Now we can draw out the reins. One more heat. That's it. Okay, now we just put the loop in. There she is. Okay, here they are. Now we can punch and drift the holes, or the rivet. Now, I'm using this track carrier, or that they put the sleepers on, pretty much, for the rail tracks. I drilled a hole in there, and my pin fits in there perfectly. Where is my damn pin? Give me a second. Okay, I found the pin that fits in there. And then I'll slide the two halves of the tongs over this, and then peen that side, take the tongs off, turn it around, and then peen the other side. Now, many of you guys have seen the tong videos I've made and the punches and stuff. This is what I tested out on. So, just gonna drop that big hole over there, and that's how I'll drift it. Or that's the idea. Okay, we now need to offset the jaw part there so that in the end they line up with each other. It's kind of easy. That's it. Okay, let's adjust these. Final adjustments. Well, she's done. She works good. She's just really hot right now. Coated it in oil, threw it in the forge a few times. Yeah, came up pretty good. I'm happy with them. That's pretty awesome. Finally done it. This came out pretty good, and really happy with them. They work beautifully. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will catch you on the next one. See ya.